In this video, I show you how to remove availability in Calendly so you stay in full control of your schedule. If you want to avoid double bookings or only allow meetings at the times that truly work for you, this guide is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. When you log into Calendly, you'll see your event types listed on the home page. These represent the different kinds of meetings you've already set up. Find the event where you want to adjust availability and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Edit. On the right hand side, a panel will appear with all your settings. Here, look for the availability section. Click on it, then hit the pencil icon that says Edit Schedule. This is where you can fine tune your times. You have two choices. You can modify the time slots by adjusting them directly, or if you need to block a day or a time completely, just hit the small X beside the slot. Once removed, that time will no longer be bookable. Simple as that. By doing this, you are making sure that only the times you choose are available for others to book. It keeps your workflow smooth, your calendar tidy, and your day stress-free. That's it. You've now learned how to remove availability in Calendly. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.